Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the host. Enable remote desktop, verify the machine is powered and reachable, and log in with an administrator account. Once done, open System Properties or Settings and navigate to Remote Desktop. Make sure network-level authentication is selected for security. You add the user now because waiting creates extra steps later. Also, check the user's local account exists. If not, create it with a clear username and password before continuing to permissions. Now you add the user to the Remote Desktop Allowed list. Click Select Users, then Add. Type the account exactly, either host \username for local accounts or username at domain for domain accounts, and press Check Names to validate. Once validated, click OK. The user appears in the Allowed list. Make sure to apply and close the settings because unsaved changes won't grant access. Also, if you manage multiple machines, repeat or use group policy to push the permission consistently across systems. Finish by testing a connection from the client. Open your remote desktop client, enter the host IP or hostname, and sign in using the added user's credentials. If it works, you're done. If not, first confirm Windows Firewall allows remote desktop, TCP 3389, and the host's network profile is private or domain. Next, verify the user is not denied by policy, and check the Remote Desktop Services event log for specific error codes. Use that code to narrow fixes, like credential or licensing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.